Today, we're going to talk about tummy time. Hey, it's Morgan. Welcome to the Passable Parent Channel. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past 10 years, specializing in early childhood development, and I'm also a mom. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And I love to read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you are a first-time mom, parent, or caregiver, or if this is your second or third child. And make sure if you have any questions to also list them down below. I always make sure to answer each and every one of your questions. Thank you so much. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends supervised tummy time for full-term infants starting in the first week and as early as their first day home from the hospital. Initially start by practicing tummy time 2 to 3 times a day and work your way up to 1 to 3 minutes. Even if you have to start with just seconds at a time, gradually increase the amount of time, even just by 30 seconds at a time. Your baby will gradually get stronger and more comfortable. Your ultimate goal is to practice this tummy time about 5 to 6 times a day and more. Most babies do not enjoy tummy time initially and may cry or fuss, which causes caregivers or parents to avoid this activity. If there is one gift I can tell you that you can give your baby, it is tummy time. It is crucial to their development. It builds the muscles and the coordination needed for rolling over, crawling, reaching, and playing. And it also helps avoid flat spots on the head. All of these important developmental milestones build on themselves, and they all start with tummy time. Just like learning a new skill for us adults, it will take time and practice, but your baby will start to tolerate it and even enjoy it the more you practice it. So, how do you do tummy time? How do you help your baby learn to enjoy tummy time? I'm here to help you learn step by step. Here's some ground rules for tummy time. Practice tummy time during your baby's wake windows, when they are awake and alert during the day. Within each tummy time session, give your baby breaks when they seem fussy or tired. You really want this to be as enjoyable of an experience as it can be for your baby. Once your baby is calm again, and as long as they are still alert and awake, try placing them back on their belly. Gradually increase tummy time seconds at a time until your baby is able to tolerate more of it. And try frequently throughout the day and when your baby is alert and awake. How to do it? Slowly roll your baby onto their tummy with their arms tucked under their shoulders. If your baby prefers having their head to one side while on their belly, make sure that whatever toys or cards you are using are within 8 to 12 inches of their face so that they can see them. Periodically, gently move your baby so their head faces the opposite direction to avoid tight muscles or flat spots on their heads. You want to be exercising both sides of the head equally during tummy time. Use high contrast images during tummy time. Your baby sees best in black and white, so those high contrast images, cards, and toys are great ways to keep them happy during tummy time. And I'll make sure to link some of my favorites down below in the description box. You also have a bunch of different options on how to do this tummy time. It doesn't always just have to be your baby directly on the floor. The first way is tummy time on your chest. Start by practicing tummy time with your baby belly to your chest and make eye contact with your baby. Your face is their favorite sight in the whole world. Lower yourself down little by little down to the floor so that your baby is more and more on their belly. Tummy time on your lap is another way to do tummy time. Put your baby's belly down on the top of your thighs and gently rub their back. Hold a high contrast toy or card 8 to 12 inches from their face in their line of vision. As your baby gets older, typically around 5 weeks, you can slowly move the card or toy and see if your baby can lift their head to follow. With each tummy time session, offer breaks when your baby gets fussy. Ideally, at least 3 cycles of tummy time and then a break. Pediatric occupational therapists recommend 15 minutes or more of tummy time per day for a 2-month-old baby, and 30 minutes or more a day for 3-month-olds. The third way to do tummy time is on the floor. Gently place your baby on the floor, arms under their shoulders. Lay down on the floor facing your baby so that you are face to face with them. Talk to your baby during this time. Sing to your baby and provide encouragement. You are your baby's favorite in the whole world, and you are going to be the best distraction for them during this tummy time. You can use the boppy pillow if being flat on their belly is initially causing your baby to be too fussy. And again, make sure their arms are under their shoulders. And I will link that pillow down below so you know exactly which one I'm talking about. You also can roll up a burp cloth or towel and position it under their chest to prop them up a little until they gradually build the muscles that you can take that away and they can be belly to chest on the floor. Mirrors are a great way to increase your baby's tummy time. Young infants will enjoy staring at their own reflection. High contrast toys, cards, and anything your baby finds interesting, except screens, TVs, iPads, or phones. They are not recommended. The earlier you start this tummy time, the better. As your baby gets older, they may benefit from a play mat to keep them interested during tummy time. The fourth way to practice tummy time is side-lying tummy time. You can roll up a blanket or towel or a burp cloth and prop your baby onto their side using this to support their back. Place yourself, toys, cards, their mirror, etc. in their line of sight. Eventually, switch your baby's side and repeat. Why is side-lying time important? Research shows it prevents flat spots on your baby's head. Occupational therapists recommend side-lying to prevent flathead syndrome, which, unless addressed, quickly can lead to developmental delays. Side-lying tummy time or floor time also helps your baby develop balance and eventually learning how to roll. I hope this video was helpful and informative and you learned the importance and some different ways to practice that tummy time. I love hearing from you, so make sure to comment down below any questions you have for me or topics you'd like to see me cover in future videos. Thank you so much for your time today, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you next time.